Hi guys, thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Hope you're doing great. So we're doing something a little bit different today. I'm making my cats a catcuterie for their birthday because they turned one. So, they deserve a little special treat too. So I looked up all the foods, like human foods that they can eat, obviously as a treat, not something every day. And I just want to put together a nice little cute picnic spread to celebrate them turning a year old because they deserve it. They're so cute. So bear with me. I'm a cat person. I love them. I love dogs too, but I don't have any dogs. So if you want to do like a barcouterie, you could probably do that. Just change up the ingredients. Anyway, if you watch my channel, you know I love to make charcuterie boards. So I'm going to make a catcuterie for my babies. Let's go.